Mwayo anena se chiskuru korwa se orogongo rwa Gusii eskuru ya Little Angels na boigo eskuru ya Excel Shining nigo cyaba chikogokera amachibwe maya abasibata na omokia bwoko bwati na boigo okubwatrana egati ya baorokia abaibori na boigo aborokiwa nechimbwa chingia ase aborokiwa na kyomono kererete amachibwe maya kwenekiwa ase eskuru yo muriketo Josephat Amisi na bakagutarira chiskuru echo
Maiga ya serikali kubwatoka amachibu yo amatemu yekirasi kya gatano na gatatu mwaka wa 2023 imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigo chiskuru chenyareko bachiko gokera amachibu ayo amaya ase ababwatani anenebe sekta gisemi banyarako bagoteba no kubaterana okuya gati yabateneri bechiskuru abaiboli naboigo abana.
I'm very much delighted esing enche amatemu itanyaraga gosoka bia tore no mogoko konyora umwana itomotangani konyora max 403 the following to be scoring 402 marks. So I'm very much humbled and delighted. I'm grateful God has done it for us. He has not disappointed.
Twagokire sana na twanyolya matokeo maya togoteba nyasaye ngambia mono asaba ali bali banyara gukore gasi erengiya na abaibuli nabo igo na abana togoteba nga abaibuli bonse bitoretera abana. Little Angels is the place to be.
Ase skuru ya Excel Shining Star nigo ababwatani anenebe skuru banyara ko bagweso kena goteba amachibu ayo amaya nigo aletire kubwatekana no kubwaterana okuya kwanyara ko bakorekana.
A parent wa the candidate ambaye ameongoza katika hii shule. Kwa hivyo nachukua nafasi kushukuru Mungu sana kwa ajili ya ushirika ambao ametupa pamoja na the entire staff, na hakika ni kwamba tumeona mkono wa Bwana.
But this time we had 394, meaning we've done our best. Thank you God for that wonderful result. Again, if you compare the last year result, if you check mathematics, we required a mean of 50 something. But this time we had a mean of 73. That is wonderful. No.
And I thank God also that the candidate this time, this year, they have made it. It is through hard working, through discipline, through cooperation of parents and teachers, and the children were highly disciplined.
Gatia barokiwa kurwa ase skuru ya Excel Shining Star na boigo ya Little Angels abanyara ko bagokora bya asamate mwayo nigo babwate aya bagusanga amoneketa seni kya Ndizi TV.
My name is Nyeshai Alpha Babu. I had 402 marks. I would like to go to Mangu Boys High School. In the future I would like to be an engineer, and those who are out there I would like to tell you, always remember to put God first. Thank you.
My name is Sadfa Kwamboka and I had 401 marks. My dream school is Alliance Girls.
Prayer since I began this school was that I wanted to make this school to be popular, and I wanted to make this school to make everyone excited. And I thank God for He has made me to make every person in this school excited.
We could not have made it without God's will, and His will that got us here. My dream school was Kenya High, and I hope I will go there someday. And when I grow up, I want to be a neurosurgeon.
Amachibu aya ya matemu KCP yo mwaka wa 2023 naro areyo mwario asumurobelio bwechisemi 844 asibono omwaziri Ezekiel Machogu atebire guchakira mwaka gocha niga serikali ranyarako bekwarigani bene omurobelio omoya bwechisemi OCBC. Kuripatiri kataseni kya Ndizi TV kurwa eskuru yoboroso ya Excel Shining Star yegotoka sensemo ya soko mujinga imeye kaunti ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amisi.